Flux USO is great for style transfer, but what if we push it further and use it for consistent character generation? I increase the image resize node to 1340 for resolution, and for the prompt, a woman walking in the flower field, we get the same girl walking in the field. Look at her dress, it's exactly the same as in the reference. Now, let's compare it side by side, as we can see it matches perfectly, with the same lighting and the same color grade. Let's push it further. This time, let's combine two characters and see how it goes. The prompt is woman in black skirt dancing, and woman in black gown playing violin. The result fails. Instead of two characters, the model tries to merge them into one, and the composition breaks. Perhaps if we use a single image with two characters, it might work. I'll load two women with different dress styles, and enter the prompt two women sitting in a cafe. Let's see the result. Perfect consistent result. Let's compare with the reference. As we can see, it replicates perfectly, even matching the soft lighting, the style, and the mood. This is very good. Let's try with 5 characters now. I'll input 5 women and see the results. It fails, perhaps 5 is too much, but for a single character it works quite well. Maybe it's the prompt. I might dig deeper later, but on this quick run, Flux USO is quite impressive. The prompt is woman sitting in a cafe,